Okay, so today is safe travel day and we are heading up to Friendship Pass, which is there in the distance. We're really trying to space ourselves out since we're starting to get into a little steeper terrain, and that's the overall goal, so someone will have the ability to dig anyone else who gets caught in an avalanche out. Pretty good terrain so far, having a lot of fun. Beautiful day up here. We've had really lucky weather. We've got most people on skis with 2 or 3 of us on snowshoes, and the skis seem to be a real advantage overall. And, pretty terrain. Can't wait to come out here and do this on my own time. So, instead of having to slow everyone else up. About medium.
Medium cold. Let's just walk for a few minutes here, and I want you guys while we walk to just look around, and then I'm going to ask you some trivia questions about what you see.
Alright, people are digging out for a rooch block test.
Watch out. Sorry.
Okay, we're starting out with our safe travel procedures, so we're trying to space everyone out by about 50 feet or so. We're going up to a place called Microdot or Microdome. I'm not exactly certain, and I'm assuming it's up that way somewhere, but it seems lots of real pretty terrain out. The sun's bright and shiny, and we can see lots of stuff. There's a small group of people over that way that are probably pretty hard to see, but just beautiful and having a great time. Okay, day one's about finished. We're sitting here doing the potluck supper. Everybody brought a bunch of good stuff, vastly enjoying it. The spread was pretty good, as you can tell. We enjoyed vastly. Had chicken satay and curry and bean soup. All sorts of yumminess. People brought in a Waldorf salad. And there's a lot more of us tonight than there were yesterday, but we haven't quite figured out sleeping arrangements yet. We're going to have to work that one out. But just enjoyed everything. Can't wait for tomorrow. We did mostly rescue techniques and whatnot today, working with the beacons, digging people out, how to shovel so we're not burying people in, and working with probes, probe line stuff. Just had a really good day, and this was long. We ate lunch in the field, so it was cold lunch, but just kept snacking throughout. Lots of crackers and cheese and sausage and whatnot. So anyway, we're all having a good time here. At least I am. Not sure I'm going to make it through the movie, though. I'm pretty tired. So anyway, we'll get you more tomorrow. Okay, we've done some altitude gathering, and now we're kind of in this little bowl that is called Friendship Pass. There's somebody's really nice cabin over there, but I don't know who it is. Currently discussing some snow stuff that I'm not paying attention to, even though I probably should be. But that up there is called Friendship Pass, and that's kind of somewhere in there is our ultimate goal for the day. Just real pretty terrain. Very nice.
Guarantees out on transmit. Okay, when he's out of range, you let him know. He turns to receive. He's out 1 by 1.